So today we are displaying the cartoning machines for a small box. We'll introduce every part of the machines. Here is the touch panels. Start the machines, it will be the main page here. Then we press the buttons here so we can go inside and change the parameters. Here is the speed. Speed we can change the numbers from 10 to 60. Use the green buttons for machine start, the red button for machine stop. This part is for putting the materials. Then we go to the next one. Here is the materials sensors. It will detect the materials. If there is materials in this side, it will transfer the signal to the machines. And here is the box magazines for storage the box. And this part is for the feeding parts. It will automatically to feed the products into the box. Also here we have safety covers here. Okay, so next we are running the machines. When we start it, so we put the materials into the conveyor. So here is the closing part. Okay, so you see the box is sealed, automatic, and the product is inside. This is the machine operations.